In this video, we are going to see what is meant by authorization. I, Professor Deepak Koshti, welcome you for this lecture. Let us start. Authorization. So we may assign a user several forms of authorization on parts of the database. For example, we can give authority of read only. Sometimes we can give authority of insertion. Sometimes we can give authority of update, and sometimes we give authorization of delete. So read authorization, insert authorization, update authorization, and delete authorization. These are the 4 types of authorization. So read authorization allows reading but not modification of the data. Similarly, insert authorization allows insertion of new data but not modification at all. Update authorization allows modification but not deletion of the data, whereas delete authorization allows deletion of the data. So in this way, several users of a database are given with some authority. We may assign the user all or none or a combination of these types of authority. In addition to these forms of authorization for access to the data, we may grant a user authorization to modify the database schema also. So index authorization allows the creation or deletion of indices. Resource authorization allows the creation of new relations. Alteration authorization allows the addition or deletion of attributes in relation. And at last, drop authorization allows the deletion of relations. So there is some difference between delete authorization and drop authorization. Delete authorization deletes the contents of a tuple, but the relation remains the same. But drop authorization deletes the contents as well as tuple that their relation is also deleted. So drop authorization deletes everything including relation. Whereas delete authorization deletes only record and the relation is kept as it is. Thus, we have seen how the authorization is allocated to a database user. This authorization is required to make sure that a particular person gets proper authority for the modification, for reading, for updating, or for deleting the data. Slide credit goes to Database System Concepts, 4th edition. Happy learning. Do subscribe the channel to get the notifications of new videos.